Guys, let me show you how to make Afro Beat right after the intro. Yo, the name is Godside once again, and still the solution carrier providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Alright, guys, so let's listen to the chord progression. Then we're gonna fill the other bars, so we're gonna duplicate Ctrl plus B. So guys, you have to make this chord progression more interesting, so we're gonna hit Alt S to bring the strumizer. Then we're gonna play with this start time here. Okay, all right, then we're gonna bring everything into the selected bars. Then we're gonna hit accept. So the next time I'm gonna do is to add melody. I'm gonna clone. Okay, I'm gonna use the same electric pianos. This time I'm gonna choose this. Go to piano roll options. I'm gonna follow the ghost notes like that. Very simple. We are creating simple melodies. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Okay, guys, we're gonna duplicate like that. Then we're gonna try and add fill some of the notes to create a bouncy melody. Very simple, guys. So let me highlight this one, delete. Okay, very simple, guys. Highlight this one, duplicate. So let's move on. Okay, let's clone. Select this. I'm gonna use marimba. Duplicate. We're gonna do the same thing here. Make sure this on the right note. Very simple, guys. Then we're gonna highlight everything, fill the other bars. Then we're gonna send them to high octave like this. Alright, guys, this is the melody. Let's add this melody to it. Let me solo the melody alone. Alright, so let me add it. Then guys, right after that, I brought in the shaker. Alright, so let's listen to everything with the shaker. So the next thing guys I brought in was the drums. Okay, this is the kick. Very simple. Then I added this. Then I add this peck. Then I copy this and layer it here. Then I brought in this ring. Alright guys, so let's add it. Then guys, I brought in this drum fill. Okay. Okay, then some crash like this. So everything sounds like this. Alright, so guys, I think let's add bass to it. Okay, I'm gonna add bass, so I'm gonna clone hypersonic again. I'm gonna use electric bass. Okay, let's add cool bass to it. So let's see. We're gonna follow the ghost notes. Should we cut this thing off? Okay, we're gonna do that. Very simple. Alright, guys. Alright, so guys, let's listen to it. Let's play with the bass a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm gonna highlight this, delete. Okay, very simple, guys. Simple, guys. So subscribe to the channel if you found this video to be helpful. Give the video a like. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.